Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with ShareASale for affiliate tracking step by step clearly. Visit the ShareASale website. Click on the sign up button at the top right corner. Fill in your personal information in the registration form. Provide your email address and create a secure password. Select your preferred payment method from the options available. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a verification link from ShareASale. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Log into your ShareASale account using your credentials. Navigate to the Merchants section in the main menu. Browse through the list of available merchants. Use the search bar to find specific merchants if needed. Click on a merchant's name to view their affiliate details. Review the merchant's commission structure and terms. Click the Join Program button to apply for their affiliate program. Fill out any additional information required by the merchant. Submit your application for approval. Wait for the merchant to review and approve your application. Once approved, access your unique affiliate links in your account. Use those links for tracking referrals and earning commissions. Start promoting the merchant's products through your channels. Monitor your performance and earnings in the ShareASale dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.